I'll tell you the story of how we came to know that the universe is expanding. When Galileo invented the telescope in 1609, people started using it to observe the stars near us. As the telescopes got better and science became more advanced, these astronomers developed a method called spectroscopy, which enabled them to know the chemical elements in a star just by looking at its spectrum. A spectrum of a color is a continuous band of colors which combine to make that color. For example, the spectrum of white light is a ray. So by observing the stars
Using
spectrum,
spectroscopy, the astronomers could tell what the stars were made of chemically.
astronomers observe the spectrum of stars outside our galaxy. They observe that those star spectrum were redshifted. To understand what this means, you have to understand the Doppler effect. The Doppler effect is a phenomenon that occurs when there is relative motion between the source of a wave and the observer. When the Doppler effect occurs, the observer observes the wave as having a different frequency than it actually has. For example, imagine a star sending a wave to you. It takes 2 minutes for the waves to reach you when it's not moving. But when the star starts moving away from you, you receive the wave less frequently, and so would measure a lower frequency waves. Similarly, when the star is moving towards you, you will measure a higher frequency for the wave it's emitting. As for white light, red has the lowest frequency and violet has the highest. Therefore, when we are observing the light wave from a star moving towards us, we will see that we will see the spectrum shift towards the red end, and hence a red shift. So when we saw the red shift from the star spectrum, we knew that those stars were moving away from us. A man named Edwin Hubble precisely calculated how much the universe was expanding, observing how much each star spectrum was redshifted, and found that the universe was expanding at a very fast rate. And so this is how we knew that the universe was expanding.